Hi, this is Dr. Tim Smith from New Life Chiropractic, your Max Living doctor. Today I want to talk to you about one of the outstanding new therapies we have available here in the office. It's a low light laser therapy. What's really cool about this is it's a non-invasive therapy that can be done right here in the office in as little as 5 to 10 minutes, and it affects your health and healing potential at the cellular level. Very cool, very well researched, and very excited to have it as part of the services that we offer here in the office to help speed up the healing process and get a better natural relief from pain and a faster healing of injuries and other health issues. So I want to go through the top 10 health benefits of the low level laser light therapy. Number one is anti-inflammation. So anytime that you have any areas of pain, whether that's an acute pain from a recent injury or chronic pain, this is going to help naturally reduce that, again, at the cellular level. Number two is an analgesic effect. This also goes along with pain. So part of pain is a neurological effect where it's sending messages to your brain. This actually affects the nerve system to where it lowers that pain signal called nociception within your body. Number three is it accelerates tissue repair and growth of new cellular tissue. In fact, many research studies have shown over and over again that it helps heal 50 to 66% faster after an injury acutely or long term. Number four is an improved vascular activity. So it's actually improving blood flow to the area. And the benefits of this reaches so far. It can be used for skin, can be used for bones or ligament injuries, can be used for neuropathy or nerve problems. We use it consistently for disc-related injuries. It also helps with wound healing, post-surgical repair. It has immune benefits to really help prevent future infections or to help work your way through an illness or issues. You can actually use it for the functions of the brain. The limits of this just keep going and going. Number five is increased metabolic activity. So it actually speeds up the metabolic system in your body by affecting you at the cellular level through what's called ATP. ATP is the energy of your cells, and the powerhouse of your cells, what's called the mitochondria. So with the laser therapy, it stimulates this mitochondria, which increases ATP, and that's cellular energy within your body. Number six is trigger point and an acupuncture point pressure. So it can really help with muscle issues. So if you have tight muscles, if you have trigger point issues, if you have muscle fibrosis, this can actually help break that up and restore mobility and increase the muscular function in that area. Number seven is reduce fibrous tissue formation. So this is scar tissue. Anytime you have an injury, your body lays down scar tissue. So if you start using the laser therapy right away, you're actually preventing the laydown of scar tissue because healthy new tissues are going to be building up a lot faster, and the need for scar tissue is going to be much lower. And this is a therapy that you can use every day. You can use a few times a week. You can use it once a week, and it's progressive. Every time you're using it, the benefits increase upon each other. Number eight is improved nerve function. And this is one of the coolest applications to chiropractic specifically because all we work with is the brain and the nervous system. So every time we can actually start the therapy right on the spine where the nerves go out to that area. So say we're dealing with the shoulder issue or elbow tendonitis or you fractured your wrist. Well, first we would start on the spine itself, increasing nerve function to that area, and then go to the selected area and be able to work on whether it's a bone injury or a ligament injury, a nerve issue. We can work with acute or chronic inflammation. We can work with tendon problems. Whatever it is, there's a different setting on the laser based upon what's going on with those areas. Number nine is Immuno-Regulation. Like I mentioned, it has immune benefits. So this can be something for as little as sinus issues or wound healing or preventing future infections, right? It's also been used for things like acne. It's been used for skin-related issues, for any type of inflammatory issues. It's shown benefits in that. And this laser specifically has what's called a violet light, and this violet light specifically affects the immune system. And number 10 is speeding up wound healing. This is really cool. Like I said at the beginning, the research shows 50 to 66% faster healing of damaged tissue and healing of different areas. So if you had a recent injury and it's a wound that's on the skin level, or you had to have a surgery, or you had some type of infection, going through and using the laser therapy is going to help your body heal much faster. So we have this information here in our office if you want to learn more about it. There's also brochures that talk about the different areas that it works with. Some of the areas that's on here is wound healing, joint pain, muscle strains and tears, degenerative chronic issues, post-surgical pain, tendon and ligament injuries, bone fractures, chronic neck and back pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, and the list goes on. And most people will notice a significant benefit within the first few treatments. The average treatment level is 4 to 12 treatments. Again, that can be done right here in the office as little as 5 to 10 minutes on your regular appointment, or we can schedule some extra ones there. So this is the laser. This is actually what it looks like. I want to show you how easy it is. We picked a specific setting based upon the area of the body and what we're working on. And then what you'll see is these lights will come out. So these lights here, they're going right to that area. And we can put it in one specific area, or we can move it over different areas as needed. We can even do it through motions if we're working with muscle issues or fibrotic issues, and just let it sit there for the time that's necessary. And then when it's done, it just goes off, and that's it. So that shows how easy that it is, and that's why we're able to use it right here in the office on each one of your appointments. If you have questions about how to use this therapy and how it may benefit you, you can ask us here in the office. You can find us online at newlifechiropracticrockland.com. We have a section under services that talks more about this laser therapy, or you can give us a call here, 916-259-2682, and we can go through how this therapy may benefit you and your family.